Every MP in India controls over 5 crores a year under MP lets, but the decision on where it goes that usually depend on who shouted loudest, not who needed most. Citizen needs to arrive as a WhatsApp forward, phone calls, and a local pressure. There's no evidence layer at all in this process. So we will do it. My name is Akash and this is Disha, an AI constituency planning co-pilot, where citizens report local issue in their own language, where Disha verifies clusters, rank and explain the priorities. So an MP can recommend MP let's work with evidence, equity and accountability. Our demo constituency is right now Ujiarpur Samastipur, Bihar, which is my hometown as well. So let's start with a demo. This is in citizen sections in our demo link, which is an WhatsApp simulations where you can talk to this simulation as in WhatsApp bot. Okay, so Namaste, I am Disha. You can firstly select your language preference either from this three or either you can type your language preference. Okay, let's go with an English right now. English, tell me the public issue. Either you can type it or photo and anything, or either you can talk with this as well. So I can type it. There is an bridge collapse near the Singh Sarai SH. Okay, let's go with this. Usually you don't need to have professionalism in typing all this I usually maintained all the professionalism when reporting. You usually have to verify their follow-up questions for the verification process. It usually asks me, is it a pedestrian foot bridge or a road bridge or for vehicles and etc. You can either select from this all or either you can type it. Okay, let's go with the rising issue section. What is this? This issue help us to know what is going around us in our area right now, many peoples which are facing the similar issue and I can participate in that issue as well. Let's look at this issue, Balan river drainage and encroachment concern that I also faces. Okay, let's face this. I also face this issue and usually it asks me what did you face. Okay, I faced normal citizen residents near the area usually affected by the wastage accumulated there. Okay, after giving it, it asks for the photo. You can give it. Let's give it a photo. And usually this I check the photo and all and submit the response and link to the response where you faced it. Okay, we will go to the verification process right now. So right now this I is checking. After it checked, it just send your report to this activity section where you can see it verified and forwarded to an MP. Let's see what is the verification criteria right now. So there this is an admin console where you can see what is going on the back end. Okay, so this is all the issues which are in review, blocked, verified and other. Okay, so let's go with the past sections and see what are the criteria which help an issue to pass. Okay, so this is an issue where you need to have 70 out of 100 score to get into the MP dashboard section. Okay, first usually we check claims, whether the claim is a civic issue or a problem that related to our app or something like that. And again we check locations which matches category assets, which we go through the maps and check is there anything that usually like a bridge in that locations, there is usually bridge or not. Nearby places, we also check for the nearby places and the review citizen photos and satellite map as well. Okay, so satellite map usually help us to indicate a more bigger concept, if a bridge is broken or not. We just use a live satellite to check if the bridge is broken, we give it a score. Okay, similar report, we merged every similar report together so that it not cluster the MP dashboard at all. This is the theme threshold which helps to maintain the unique report which is going on the like issues. And ranking, this is for the MP dashboard, which have the highest score usually come on top on the MP dashboard. Census and reach equity. We usually take the sorry, we usually take the 2011, which is current census data, and we usually maintain SC/ST marks so that MP can more thoroughly recommend any issues on there. Okay, and after it goes to the MP status. Okay, this is the evidence effect, which usually give us the marks. Okay, so here, and I can also give you the demo of the past, um, which is past satellite image. Okay, so let's go to the past satellite image. Where is this? Okay, this is the past satellite image, which usually look for the after and before and after image. For the further information, you can check. This is the before image and this is the after image, and here it check open live map, and you can see the Blan river here as well. Okay, here this is the Blan river, and it can see the Blan river and check for the before and after image for the further. Okay, let's get to the MP dashboard. Okay, so what MP does see? MP see its annual money. Okay, and how many reports are there, and what are the planned reports. Okay, actually there is an MP just selected 1.1 crores worth of crores SC planned equity and approve it. Okay, there is not a 0 rupees for the ST, so we track all this. Okay, and this is the issues which is here. Here there are categories which can select. Here what the MPC when they click on any issues. Here it see flood water risk near rail bridge, and why this matter, if it delayed what happened, why now, and suggested actions. Okay, this also give us the approx money or approx data, like what money would require for that particular issue to be fixed. Okay, and also there we get evidence packed like map, where usually MP can click and usually give us the pretext or context where is this location is usually situated. Here the citizen photos which usually come through, and this is the satellite map, and this is the census reach which give us the SC/ST and other issue. There is the news evidence which give us the context of the news related to that issue, so that MP can know what is going with this issue, is this really concerning for that. Also, if their MP is confused between different issue as well, they can compare through as usual, and our AI help the MP to select between two different issue as well, so he know where to choose and when to choose without any do. Okay, it's run the comparison, and it's suggested to go with the flood water risk near bridges. Why it's selected? Okay, you can read it here, and here is the more thoroughly differentiations which happen between these two issues. Okay, this is the SC 20%, ST, and this is like all the reports. This has 91 100 of scores, and why is necessary. You can go through all this. Okay, this is the MP, and here all the activities that MP recommended, deferred for the another year, declined, and ready for the actions. Okay, and that the statistics where usually get the overview of where MP is usually spending their annual MP-led allocations, and usually you know that SC and ST has an allocations of some percentage which AI helps to maintain it. Here you can see the 50% for the SC and 7.5% of the MP lets target money into the ST. So we usually maintain and track their progress in this, so that MP can usually spend their money in the right way and in all of the category which the MP lets usually give us. Okay, after it all, usually this is all you can see. Thank you. And this is a prototype. And look at this. This is the this is our um, tech, how the like flow, how it is going. Here is the citizen web from the WhatsApp or the website, anything. It goes to the Fire web hosting, where we are usually hosted our everything. And this is our main center core Cloud Run API, which is our API which helps to connect with different API. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp Cloud webhook, which usually help us with the WhatsApp bot and their connections to the Cloud Run API. And we usually use three models right now, which is a Vertex AI Gemini 3.1 Pro for verification process, and 3.5 less fast for the WhatsApp and the chat integrations, which is really fast. We use Firestore for the data storations and sessions and cookies, etc. We use evidence APIs like Maps, Google Maps, Sensors, GDLET for the news, and Earth Engine and OSM for the Earth Engine for the satellite, and OSM for the images and other pretext context. Okay, this is the MP dashboard. When like any verification process run, and it reach to the MP dashboard, and MP accept, defer, or decline, it again goes to the Firestore database, and related to the context, it's shown into the citizen my activity section. It is accepted, defer, or decline. This is simple. And what we use in the tech stack, we usually made the front end with the React and White. And we use Firebase for hosting, WhatsApp Cloud API for webhook for their all response. And for the backend, we use Node.js Express, and we run our main cloud server or the cloud API on Google Cloud Run. And this is our database on Firestore. We use Vertex AI Gemini model and multimodal input for that. We use Google Map for the map input for asset and landmark verifications. We use the census of 2011 data for SC/ST equity, and all the normal peoples and all the people around us on the constitution. GDLET for the news collaborations, Google Earth Engine for the satellite verification, and OpenStreetMap for the geospatial feedback. Okay, and this is the stage verification, audit, trial, and this is the log and equity lens with the trusted rules which we usually follow for that. Okay, this is the tech stack we usually follow. And thank you for like watching all this. We usually hope to improve all this, and thank you. Stop recording.